Well, I think innovation and technology is going to play a crucial role in ensuring that we meet the growing demands of a growing population worldwide with their food needs and do it sustainably. So we've got an agri-tech strategy that's got £160 million in it, supporting projects right around the world to try and encourage sustainable increases in production. We're working at the moment on a number of innovation centres. I launched the first of them on agrimetrics, that's data relating to agriculture at Rothamsted a couple of weeks ago. And I think this is really important because there's lots and lots of data out there around the weather and data on plant diseases and pests, for instance, and soil management. But quite often the data is held in silos and is not used. So actually developing the sophisticated computer models that enable us to make sense of the huge amount of data that's out there is crucial to understanding and informing technological advance. We're working at the moment on other centres of excellence, looking at one on livestock, one on crops, and also on robotics, for instance, and the role that that could have in agriculture in the future as we lose certain herbicides. I think there's been huge progress in the last 15 years with consumers showing much more interest in where their food comes from, the provenance of the food, how the livestock that put the meat on their plate were treated and raised. One of the things we want to do with our food and farming strategy is change the country's relationship with food so that it's valued and appreciated more and not just seen as something that they go and buy some cheap ready meal to get them through a meal. And we've also been doing a lot of work to try and improve the position with schools. We've got a school food plan where schools are encouraged to get children onto farms so they can understand how food was produced, get them used to producing basic dishes so that they develop an appreciation for food. I've seen some fantastic projects, one in Devon recently, for instance, where the local authority got all schools to go to the county showground and they had a whole series of different demonstrations on farming. And there's lots of other good examples around the country, and also projects like Bright Crop, which gets young, talented graduates who've gone into the farming and food industry to go into our schools and talk to teenagers thinking about their GCSEs and A levels and persuade them that this is a really exciting career to get involved in.